Carved into a rocky hillside on the island of Tinos, this contemporary holiday home is oriented towards sweeping views of the Aegean Sea and the surrounding Cycladic islands. Designed by Studio Kontodimas, the Unblocked House is discreetly embedded in the slope, drawing inspiration from the earthy nature of the local architecture. The existing rock formations were preserved, as were the old olive trees, and new ones were carefully transported and planted on the site. Every decision aimed to respect the raw beauty and quietness of the natural landscape. The building volumes are arranged in a layout that evokes a small, welcoming Greek island village. Circulation corridors were treated as outdoor spaces and were therefore not included in the property's allowable floor area. The travertine-clad volumes are enclosed with masonry block screens, forming semi-open spaces that provide sun protection and natural ventilation while softening the transition between indoors and outdoors. One of the volumes houses a spacious living area with an integrated kitchen. The kitchen and the main bathroom are clad in locally sourced green Tinos marble, which was also used to craft the massive dining table. All furniture was custom designed and built by Studio Kontodimas. Inspired by the island's vernacular architecture, the mix of cane pergolas, travertine verandas, cement screed floors, and plastered walls creates a soft, calm atmosphere deeply connected to nature. This material composition conveys an aesthetic simplicity that grounds the house in its context. The use of natural materials, plastered walls, chestnut wood cabinetry, cane pergolas, cement screed floors, and travertine verandas creates a cool and gentle atmosphere, with the same sand-colored palette used throughout both indoor and outdoor areas. More than just a vacation home, what emerges here is architecture that understands its place, quiet, restrained, and deeply rooted in the essence of the island.